Hello and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. So today in this video I'm going to be attempting to do the bonnet catch part 2 of the video. If you remember from the first part, we managed to determine what was wrong with the system, and now we need to repair the system and get it working. Okay, I have all the parts now to get it done. I've got the new bonnet cable and I've got the second-hand latch which I'm going to oil up, or grease up I should say. And I'm going to grease up the other latch as well. And hopefully, once that's in and done, we can start opening and closing this bonnet correctly, how it's intended to from the factory. But first things first, if anybody please subscribe to my channel and like the video, as if you like and subscribe really does help the this channel to grow. So, I'm going to get into it now and start taking off the little thing underneath here, little under tray, whatever, little thing underneath the dashboard, whatever it's called. I'm sure someone will come on there and tell me what it's called. But yeah, we need to get that off first. And that's just a simple screwdriver job. So I'm going to get that off and we can hopefully refill a bit more off the handbrake bonnet release mechanism. Okay, so looking at the new here, you plug it, push it through the firewall. But just looking at that quickly, it looks like you've got another grommet there. You can see there where you can break down, put a wire through or another cable. So that might be a perfect place eventually to put a subwoofer wire through if I ever decide to go that route. Okay, if you skip ahead here, I've got this latch out from this side. I'm going to just get this latch out. And it's kind of hard while doing this with one hand holding the camera. Okay, so you're mounted on my head. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. This job is very hard to do with one hand and to show you what I'm doing. Right. I'm gloving up now. I'm about to be using some grease, especially on this hinge here. Okay, that's opened again. So what I'm using here is something called lift moly grease. See if you lift moly grease, they're probably better stuff to use, and it always probably will be better stuff to use. But I'm going to be using this. If you don't like it, then you can email someone with your complaints. Obviously not me, however, because I will not be looking at them. I'm simply using this. This is what I have to hand, and it should do the job perfectly well. So, proper really like spray on grease would be better. Not like lubricant, not wear off after all, but something you can actually really get down in there and grease with. Would be better, but I think over time this grease will work its way down there. I think that would be too much of an issue. Well, in this one I've moved my white W124, and I believe it does work, and 124, 126 way. Yeah, so you can see it's bringing it back very nice. Let's lock it, see if it locks. Yep, that's locked, and oh, good. Okay, bit of liberal greasing on here. I didn't put anything in the cleaning solution for the simple reason because I got rid of the cleaning solution before I got this one. It probably would have been a good idea to put it in a clean solution, but yeah, I think this would be fine. You can get as much in there as it can. A few people are thinking, oh, it's too much lube. Yeah, it might be. Right, gently move this. I don't want to get grease over these new gloves. Now to remove the radiator, here's this little cable I need to get to. I'm going to simply grab this one, take it out there, grab this one, hey look, they're not too bad actually. Now, that should allow just enough room to come forward and me to pull this cable through. Plastic tied. Right now, I'm not going to reinstate this plastic tie. Good. And now, right, if I've got to show you now, hopefully you can stay there. You see the condition just off these two, can't you? Like, I mean, if you really look at that, you can see why this cable needs to be replaced. It's just pulling through the latch and not actually operating the latch. So now this new end on it, that should work very nice. So now this needs to come through here. Like so. And then somewhere just here, that needs to come and get pushed through down here. Perfect, now if I can grab that. We need a lot more room. Oh, that might be right. Maybe. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't want to go in there. Maybe about half an hour it want to go in. It's so annoying, you can get them out of it gaps, but I don't want to go back in again. Right, go in. Right, that's in. Or not one. Plug you back in. Let's start doing these up. Right. Let's start tightening these up. One. It does make it a lot easier having a head strap, so I can mount you to my head, and you can see what I'm doing at the same time, and I get both hands free. But it's not always the best way to film the head strap, but in this situation it definitely does help. Okay, so nice on, and simply put this in up here, out there. Some paint has decided to flake. Right, maybe you're going up then. Either way, bud, you're going in. Good. Right. So we now need to pull that through there, like so. And onto there. Perfect. And we should. Good. That clicked and opened the latches. That way, is it? That way, on there. Maybe, it might be that way. I'll tell you when I find out. Yep, there we go. It's that way. Okay, so bonnet latches go in and tighten up. The actual pull is all done. The cable's been adjusted, so that little bit sits in here correctly. So that little bit in there they can pop out. Do a little trial run. Down. Push down, thank you. Right, that's in. And moment of truth, do we get a click? We do, we get a double click. Now I suppose we should do the ultimate test. Put that on there, remove these. Right, smooth that for good luck. Nothing blocking that one, nothing got on the engine bay itself. So right, moment of truth. Hey! Okay, so the bonnet is now shut and shut correctly. So you've seen that job come to an end. Bit of an involved job. Took a while, but at least we've got it done, and it's working fine now. I just got to finish putting in the rubber bung in the firewall, and then that'll be job done. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. As if you like and subscribe, really does help me see each channel to grow, and then more top quality content comes out for you. And if you enjoy watching these videos, each time you press the like and subscribe button, you'll be notified as soon as a video comes out. So you won't see anything on the drive, and I'll see you in my next video.